Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem we're going to be attempting today is number 520, detect capital. So just going to read through the spec here. We define the usage of capitals in a word to be right when one of the following cases hold. All letters are capitals. All letters in this word are capitals, like USA. All letters in this word are not capitals, like LeetCode, all lowercase. Or only the first letter in this word is capital, like Google with a capital G. Given a string word, return true if the usage of capitals in it is right. For instance, USA in all caps is true, but flag with a lowercase f and g is false. Constraints here, the length of the word between 1 and 100, and it will only consist of upper or lowercase English letters. So, I'm going to go over to my notes here. So, just off the top of my head, I think we're going to have to iterate through the string. And there's three kind of things that we're going to be checking for. So, we're going to have like Boolean values, I guess. We're going to have all underscore caps is equal to false to begin with. Or no, we'll have all of these true to begin with. All underscore lower is equal to true, and then all underscore we're gonna say only first upper is equal to true. We have all these different trues. Iterate through the string. If you're on the first character and it's lowercase, set only first upper to false. If the character is lowercase, set all underscore caps to false. If the character is uppercase, set all underscore lower to false. And then we can say on each iteration, check if either boolean is false, we'll say if any boolean variable is false, or if all boolean variables are false. If they are, return false. And then I'm gonna return true if you got through the string. So let's try this. Gonna copy and paste my notes in here, and then we're gonna say, gonna keep this in. Capital T. Then what we're gonna say is, for I in range word, length of word, sorry. We're going to check if all boolean variables are false if all underscore caps is equal to if, we're just going to say if, we can put this here, exclamation mark. Can we do that? I don't think we can. Equals false. And all underscore lower equals false. And only underscore first underscore upper equals false. Return false. And then we can do if I is equal to 0, if word um I is equal to dot is upper dot upper. I think it is dot is upper. Let me check this. Is upper. Yes. It looks like we can actually do it on the whole string. Okay. Let's do this slightly differently then. We can just do if word dot is upper or word dot is lower or word 0 dot is upper and word 1 until the end dot is upper or is lower, return true. Is this gonna work? Can we do this in like 2 lines? Yep. Submit. Yep, and that worked. So I ended up deviating quite a bit from my notes there, but yeah, thank you very much for watching the video. I hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please leave a comment, or if you had some other solution that was a bit more efficient or different, please let me know. I love discussing these problems and their solutions. So yeah, thank you once again for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day.